So welcome to my channel. This quick video is intended to give you something of an overview of what you can expect here. The super short version is I do woodworking, timber framing, CNC, and CAD design. But let me give you a little bit more detail. I consider myself a hobbyist woodworker. Over the years, I've undertaken projects mostly focused on making things for my family that I otherwise couldn't afford. I've built our kitchen, finished our dining room, built-in bunks in an upstairs bedroom, built our deck and furnished it. I've also made a canoe and kayak that made for some great family adventures. You can see more of my projects on my social media pages. There are links in the video description. Most of those projects were done before I started YouTubing. I started YouTubing with the intent of documenting some of the timber framing projects that I've been focused on lately. With the help of my family, I built a timber frame sauna, and lately I've been working on a timber frame garden shed. Those frames were intended as a learning exercise as I work up to some bigger projects I have in mind. I've managed to build up what I'd say is my dream woodshop. The cost of tools was built into projects I undertook over the years. I plan to continue to improve the shop itself, so you can expect to see some videos on that, as well as the odd product review. The shop even includes a 4-foot by 8-foot CNC router, so you can expect to see some CNC projects along the way as well. I retired recently, so I'm hopeful that leaves me more time to spend on creative projects, including documenting them here on the channel. So I hope you'll subscribe and follow along. As always, thanks for watching.